Have a look at these cinematic videos. Clean motion, rich colors, and a professional feel you'd normally expect from high-end tools. Now here's the surprising part. Every single one of these videos was created using a free AI video generator called Grok. No paid credits, no premium plans. When we talk about AI video generation, most people focus only on the generation step itself. They assume that better results always mean better AI models or higher-priced tools. But the real challenge actually begins after the video is created. Most free AI generators, including Grok AI, produce visually impressive results but limit the output quality, usually capping it at low resolutions like 480p. That's exactly the situation I faced. Creative videos with strong visuals, but not good enough quality to upload or use professionally. So instead of regenerating everything with paid credits, I use a much smarter workflow. I upscale and enhance those videos to full 4K using Wondershare UniConverter 17. If you're ready to go from 480p prison to 4K freedom, hit that like button right now and let's dive in. First, download UniConverter 17 from the official Wondershare site. Link in the description below. Once you open UniConverter 17, the first thing you'll notice is how simple the interface is. From the home screen, I go straight to the video section and select the video enhancer. That's our command center today. Here you'll notice various AI models to enhance your video clip. Each one specialized for different types of footage, so pick the one that matches your clip best. I brought 7 different 480p videos, each one perfect for showcasing a specific model. Let's go one by one and see the magic happen. First up, quality restoration, the go-to general enhancement model when you want an all-around polish. So add your video here and choose the AI model. And the best part? You can preview 3 seconds before exporting your video. When everything looks perfect, hit Export All, and your work is done here. Watch this. Before, after. Notice how it sharpens edges, recovers fine textures, and gives natural colors. Perfect starter model for restoring your low-resolution video. Now for the star of the show. The brand new Topaz Generative Enhancement powered by Topaz Labs Starlight Diffusion model. This one's premium. Uses AI credits, but worth every single one. You can upscale your video to 4K with just one click. This isn't just upscaling. It literally reconstructs missing details frame by frame using Diffusion AI. Look at the textures, the edges. Motion stays buttery smooth. No blockiness, no artifacts. This is what Hollywood-level enhancement looks like in 2026. Got faces in your videos? Use face enhancement. It smooths skin naturally, brightens eyes, removes any AI-generated weirdness, and keeps the person looking human. For anime-style video clips, use the anime enhancement. Vivid colors, razor-sharp lines, no lost cell shading. Your AI-generated anime clips will pop like they were made in 4K from the start. Got grainy footage? The ultimate general video denoise is here. Here you'll notice clean removal of noise while keeping every texture intact. Now we're unleashing frame interpolation, the AI model that doesn't just upscale. It literally invents brand new frames to make your motion silkier than butter on a hot pan. This model predicts and generates intermediate frames for ultra-smooth playback, up to 120 frames per second, or even 240 frames per second if your hardware can handle it. Perfect for turning decent clips into cinematic slow-mo gold without the stutter. Okay, stop. Is your masterpiece getting wrecked by annoying shaky movements? Time to lock it down with the video stabilization model. This dedicated tool analyzes every frame, detects unwanted shake, and smooths it out like a pro gimbal was used, without cropping too much or adding weird warping. Finally, meet the color enhancement model. This AI model automatically balances saturation, fixes dull/washed out tones, boosts vibrancy, and gives your videos that cinematic eye-catching grade without manual sliders. The best part? Every single one of these models supports batch processing, so you can drop in multiple videos at once, choose the same model for all of them, and enhance your entire library in one go. Perfect for creators with tons of 480p clips waiting to become 4K gold. So if you're tired of 480p holding back your AI creations, UniConverter 17 is the ultimate upgrade. Now go and try it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share the video. Subscribe to the channel to get more cool AI tools and tips.